खत्म यहाँ पे. थर्ड सीन है, it is of a place in Venice, a public place. This scene is between Bassanio, Shylock and Antonio. Right now there are only two people, Bassanio and Shylock. So Shylock, Bassanio has come to Shylock to borrow. फर्स्ट सीन के अंदर हमने पढ़ा था कि एंटोनियो ने बेसिनियो को बोला था कि तुम ट्राई करो, तुम्हें अगर कुछ लोन मिल जाए मेरी गारंटी के ऊपर, मेरे नाम के ऊपर, तो तुम बोरो कर लो. तो शाइलॉक के पास में आता है, ही इज अ ज्यू. एंटोनियो, बेसिनियो, दे आर ऑल क्रिश्चियंस, एंड दिस शाइलॉक, दिस बिजनेसमैन, ही इज अ ज्यू. नाउ बेसिनियो कम्स टू दिस पर्सन फॉर loan of 3,000 ducats. Ducats is gold coins. 3,000 ducats for 3 months. Shylock is speaking, you want 3,000 ducats. And Bassanio is confirming, yes, for 3 months. Then Shylock is repeating again for 3 months. Bassanio then says, yes, and for this amount, Antonio shall be bound. यानी Antonio की गारंटी होगी इसके लिए और Antonio repay कर देगा ये अमाउंट. So Shylock is saying Antonio will be bound. Now, in this whole scene, you can see that the readers feel that Shylock has something going on in his mind. यानी उसके दिमाग में कुछ तो चल रहा है. We can feel that Shylock does not like Antonio and he is conspiring against him and trying to set a trap for Antonio to fall. So basically, वो चाह रहा है कि वो उससे बोरो करे और फिर फंस जाए. तो उसके लिए वो रिपीट कर रहा है सारी चीज़ें कि अच्छा 3,000 ducats, अच्छा for 3 months. So this is what is going on here. And now Bassanio is asking, so are you ready or not? So Shylock again repeats the whole thing for 3 months, 3,000 ducats. And Bassanio is saying, so what is your answer? Shylock says that Antonio is a good man. Antonio is a good man means Shylock is saying that he's a good man and I think has sufficient amount that he can repay me also. So Bassanio is then asking, have you heard anything bad about him? So Shylock is saying, oh no, I mean by good man that he has a lot of investments. He has a Argosy. Argosy is a merchandise ship bound in Tripolis, another in Indies, and another in Mexico, a fourth in England. He has all his money invested in some places. But his ships are but board, sailors but man, land rats. And now he is saying that अब ships पे उसने अपना सारा पैसा लगाया हुआ है अलग अलग जगह इन्वेस्ट करके, बट काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें हो सकती हैं ना उन ships के साथ में. वाटर पैरल हो सकता है, कोई नेचुरल डिजास्टर हो सकता है, पायरेट्स हो सकते हैं. पर नॉट विथ स्टैंडिंग, यानी इन स्पाइट ऑफ ऑल दीज जो मैंने अभी कहा है, ही इज अ सफिशिएंट पर्सन, यानी वो मेरे पैसे चुका ही देगा. 3,000 ducats, I think I may take his bond. यानी I am considering, Shylock is considering to give him the amount. Bassanio, Shylock says that I will surely do this. Only I want to speak with Antonio first. So Bassanio is saying that you should come to dinner with us. To this, Shylock says, yes, to smell pork. They are eating pork, so they are saying that Shylock is saying that according to their myth, the prophet of Nazarite had conjured the devil into the pork. So it is not very religious to eat the pork. So as I told you, religion wise, Jews and Christians don't get along. So here Shylock says that I would rather talk with you, do business with you, walk with you, but I will never eat with you. It is against my religion. And then only Antonio arrives. And Bassanio says that this is Senor Antonio. Senor is used for sir, and this is Senor Antonio. Then Shylock says, aside, Shylock is speaking to himself right now, that he's saying how he looks like a public figure, Antonio. I hate him for he's Christian. Now he's saying why does he hate Antonio? It is clear that he hates Antonio. He's giving the reason why he hates him. He hates him because he's a Christian, religious wise, and he hates him because Antonio gives money to people in need without interest. So he is the reason why the interest rates in Venice are going down day by day. And he also hates him because Antonio does not favor the Jew and he hates their religion, and that is why he also says that the interest Shylock takes is like stealing. So he does not agree to Shylock's conditions, and that is why Shylock hates him. Three reasons basically: for he is a Christian, because of his generous behavior of issuing without interest, and that he does not respect their religion. Then Bassanio says Shylock is also mentioning an important thing which he calls interest. Cursed be my tribe if I forgive him. Here, Shylock is saying that I will never forgive him and he has to pay back what he has done against my tribe. So Bassanio is now telling to Shylock, अरे कहाँ खो गए? सुन रहे हो मेरी बात? Shylock then says that I was thinking about the present store. मैं ये सोच रहा था कि अभी मेरे पास टोटल में कितने हैं, और वो कहता है कि इतनी जल्दी तो मैं इतने सारे अमाउंट रेज नहीं कर सकता, बट मेरा एक नोन फ्रेंड है ट्यूबिल, हिब्रू ऑफ माई ट्राइब, वो उससे मैं लेके तुम्हें दे सकता हूँ. फिर एंटोनियो से कहता है कि अभी हम आप ही के बारे में बात कर रहे थे बस. फिर एंटोनियो कहता है कि शाइलॉक से कि शाइलॉक, यू नो आई एम अ पर्सन हु नेवर बोरोज और लेंड्स बाय टेकिंग नॉर बाय गिविंग ऑफ एक्सेस. Antonio is saying that you know that I do not lend or borrow, it is against my principles. But for my friend here, I am making an exception today. So Shylock then says yes for 3,000 ducats. And Antonio is confirming for 3 months. Then Shylock says, I had forgot. For 3 months you told me so. Well then, you're born and let me see. But here you, me thought you said you never lend or borrow upon advantage. Now Shylock is saying, yeah, for 3,000 ducats for 3 months. But I heard you never borrow or lend. Why are you doing? Why are you asking me for money then? Antonio says, yeah, I never do that for profit. I never lend or borrow for profit. Now Shylock is citing a Jew myth story, a Jew religious story about Jacob. Now Abraham, the Jews, they worship Abraham, and जेकब जो था वो अब्राम का बेटा था, थर्ड बेटा था, पर उसको ऊपर लाने के लिए उसकी मदर ने प्लान बनाया और अकॉर्डिंगली उसको सेकंड पोजेसर बना के ब्लेस करवा दिया अब्राम से. और लेबान जो था उसका मैटरनल अंकल था जेकब का. तो एंटोनियो पूछता है कि इसका सबका क्या रिलेशन है इससे, एंड डिड जेकब टेक इंटरेस्ट. तो शाइलॉक कहता है कि नो, नॉट डायरेक्टली, ही डज नॉट टेक इंटरेस्ट, बट एक कहानी है कि शिप्स, जो जेकब था वो लेबान के शीप को ग्रेजिंग करवाता था. और उसके बाद में लेबान ने उसको बोला था कि तुम मेरे साथ मेरा काम करते हो, मेरे लिए मेहनत करते हो, तो अब जितने भी न्यू बॉर्न लैम्स होंगे, जितने भी उनमें से स्पॉटेड होंगे, वो सब तुम्हारे हिस्से में आएंगे. तो जेकब क्या करता है यहाँ पे, दैट should fall. This was the way of thrive. He was blessed, and thrived his blessing if man not steal. Now he says that Jacob ने क्या किया कि he showed some spotted objects to the pregnant sheep, so that all the lambs born were spotted and all came in his part. Antonio says this was a venture, sir, that Jacob served for. And now Antonio is saying that this was a business which Jacob did, and he was providing services to Laban, and whatever happened to the sheep was the will of the nature. And what are you trying to say by citing such a myth? Are you saying that this to justify that you take interest is correct? Because Shylock is saying whatever interest is earned is a blessing if a person is not stealing it. So Shylock says that I cannot tell that, sir. I'm not saying that, sir, but note me, senor. Antonio is speaking to Bassanio. Bassanio, look at this. This man, a devil can cite a scripture, holy scripture, and he's saying that in Bassanio कि एक डेविल भी एक होली स्क्रिप्चर, जो होली यानी गॉड के अगेंस्ट में होते हैं डेविल हमेशा, तो एक डेविल भी एक होली स्क्रिप्चर साइट कर सकता है उसके बेनिफिट, खुद के बेनिफिट के लिए. सो ही इज इनडायरेक्टली रेफरिंग टू शाइलॉक एज द डेविल. Now Shylock is saying 3,000 ducats. It is a good sum for 3 months from 12. Let me see the rate. So now Antonio is saying, well, Shylock, shall we be holding to you? Now Shylock is saying that now we come to know why Shylock hates Antonio so much. Now he will be saying कि देखो तुमने मेरे साथ ये किया और अब तुम मुझसे पैसे बोरो करने आ गए हो. So he is saying that you have rated me about my money and my usance. यानी मेरे इंटरेस्ट लेने के तरीके को तुमने क्वेश्चन किया, मैंने उसको एक पेशेंट शक के साथ मैंने उसको इग्नोर करते हुए सह लिया. For sufferance is the badge of all our tribe, because पेशेंस और सफरेज ये तो हमारे ट्राइब की निशानी होती है. You called me misbeliever, cutthroat dog, and you even called me a misbeliever and a dog, and for all use of that which is mine own, and spit upon my Jewish gabardine. And you even spitted upon my Jewish attire. And well, now it appears that you need my help. You questioned my ways. You called me a dog. You spitted on my garments, my Jewish attire. And now you come here for my help, seeking my help. Well, then now it appears you need my help. Shylock, we would have your money, you say so. And now you're asking me for my money. What should I say to you? Should I say, not say, have the dog money? Is it possible? With bated breath and whispering humbleness, say this. Fair sir, you spit on me on Wednesday last, you scorned me on such a day, another time you called me a dog, and for these courtesies I'll lend you such a money. And you think that I should lend you money because all the things you did to me? Antonio now says, I would do that again if needs be, but lend it rather to thine enemy, who if he breaks thou mayest with better face exact penalty. And if you lend it to me, and even if I break this, I would pay the penalty. Shylock is saying, now look at you, you are getting angry. There is no need to get angry. I am just saying that I would be friends with you and you have your love. Forget. Now he's saying, let us be friends and forget whatever you did to me. Supply your present wants and take no doubt of usance for my money, and you will not hear me. This is a kind I offer. Now he's saying that let us be friends and let us make this deal. Now Bassanio is saying this were kindness. Now Shylock is saying that I am showing you kindness, I am forgetting all you have done, and let us make the deal. And Bassanio is sarcastically commenting like this is the kindness you are showing to us. Shylock is saying this kindness will I show, and this is the kind of kindness I will show. Go with me to the notary, seal me there. Now he's saying, come with me to the notary. A notary is a place where the bond will be sealed. And let us make this deal. And now he's putting a very important condition in this book. He's saying that if you repay me not, if you do not repay me by the day, I will forfeit the amount. I will forfeit the whole amount. I'll cancel the sum. If you do not pay me by the last day, I will cancel the amount. You do not have to pay me anymore. But there's a big condition here. Be nominated for an equal pound of your fair flesh to be cut off and taken in what part of your body pleaseth me. Then he's saying that I would cut off a pound of flesh from any part of your body which I feel correct, and that you shall give me, and I will cancel the whole amount. I will not take any interest, I'll not take the principal also. You just have to give me a pound of flesh from your body. Now he's taking a proper revenge from Antonio. And Antonio agrees with this bond, and he's saying this is the kind of kindness the Jews are showing. Bassanio then says, he's warning Antonio, you do not have to get in this deal for me. Antonio is now saying that, why are you fearing? I will not forfeit it. Yani, I will pay him back within these 2 months. That's a month before this bond expires. That is 3 months. This is the bond. A bond is for 3 months. और before the bond expires, 2 months में यानी 1 महीना पहले मेरे सारे शिप्स रिटर्न हो जाएंगे, तो मेरे पास इतना पैसा हो जाएगा कि मैं वापस पे कर सकता हूँ इसको. So there is no problem. Why are you fearing? Shylock is saying, "Oh, Father Abraham, what these Christians are. Those who has hard feeling teaches them to suspect." Now Shylock is saying, look at these Christians, how they are suspecting everything. यानी हर चीज में इतना शक करते हैं, यही इनको सिखाया जाता है. अब वो कह रहा है, अब उसको अपनी जो उसने कंडीशन रखी उसको अलग तरीके से प्रेजेंट कर रहा है. वो कहते हैं कि मैंने तो तुम्हारे ही फायदे की बात की है. जो अमाउंट मैंने बोला तुम्हें कि तुम्हारा सारा अमाउंट मैं कैंसिल कर दूंगा, तुम्हें कुछ भी नहीं देना पड़ेगा मुझे. और 1 पाउंड ऑफ फ्लैश, तुम्हारे फ्लैश का मैं करूंगा क्या यार? तुम्हारे फ्लैश को कौन खरीदेगा मुझसे? मटन का होता, पोर्क होता, बीफ होता तो फिर भी मुझे कुछ प्रॉफिट मिलता उसको बेच के, बट तुम्हारा फ्लैश मेरे लिए बिल्कुल प्रॉफिटेबल नहीं है. तो ये काइंडनेस है जो मैं तुम्हें शो कर रहा हूँ. तो फिर एंटोनियो कहता है कि श्योरली आई विल सील द डील. फाइनल कर देते हैं. शाइलॉक कहता है कि ठीक है, मुझे नोटरी के पास तुम मिलना आज, एंड उसको नोटरी को तुम डायरेक्शंस और गाइड इंस्ट्रक्शंस दे देना कि किस तरीके से बनाना है. और मैं जाके अभी सारे पैसे इकट्ठा करता हूँ और मैं अपने घर को भी एक बार देख के आता हूँ, क्योंकि मैंने उसको एक फियरफुल गार्ड के अंदर छोड़ा हुआ है. और अभी मैं तुमसे वापस मिलता हूँ. एंटोनियो कहता है कि ओके जेंटल ज्यू, Hebrew will turn Christian, he grows kind. अब Hebrew अगर काइंड हो जाता तो वो क्रिश्चियन नहीं हो जाता क्या? वो ये कह रहा है सिंपली. Hebrew Jew. Bassanio is saying, I do not feel right about this. यानी कुछ गड़बड़ लग रहा है यहाँ पे मुझे, और इसकी कंडीशंस जो है करेक्ट नहीं है. विलन जैसी फीलिंग आ रही है मुझे. इसका दिमाग कुछ तो खिचड़ी पक रही है इसके दिमाग के अंदर. एंटोनियो कहता है कि ऐसा कुछ सोचने की तुम्हें ज़रूरत नहीं है. मेरे जो शिप्स हैं वो उससे 1 महीने पहले आ ही जाएंगे और मैं इसका सारा अमाउंट पे कर दूंगा. तुम्हें परेशान होने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. एंड विद दिस दे एग्जिट एंड द सीन finishes. So thank you so much for listening this, and all of your comments are appreciated. और कोई particular dialogue हो जो confusion हो जिसके अंदर, तो I would be really happy to help. And thank you so much.